say something? We're just
Say,
gonna
welcome to Rabbit Ridge Living.
Did you say that? Say it right to the camera. Welcome to Rabbit Ridge Living. Steam engine show. Engine show. Of course.
completely full of water.
Oh,
But just like a wooden barrel, it's
Wow, and
only
it's
the water, or only the wood holding it back is all over here.
tell me a little bit about it and yourself. This will be a YouTube channel eventually. When I make it. Just a nice one.
Well, it's built by my dad based on drawings that he had found back from when these were originally made.
Cool.
It's an old wagon frame he picked up, and then he learned how to build actual wooden barrels and use that same idea with this. So we've got 1.5 quarter-sawn white oak to use for the whole thing, which is great for most people who want to build like fine furniture and things like that. But because of the grain pattern in that quarter-sawn white oak, it works very well for a big barrel and especially a water wagon like this.
So this is to put fires out? Is that what is this?
For emergency purposes, if there is a fire, we can utilize it. We do have a fire hose nozzle that'll go on there, and we can hit, engines a couple engines away from here, from where we're at. So if there's a grass fire or something like that, we could in theory do that. But normally it's just to take the water from here and put it into a tank that's a little bit higher than here.
oh, okay. That was the initial use of something, wasn't it?
Well, so this initially, you'd go out threshing and you'd have a team of horses or with a small kid or whatever, and he'd latch onto this guy and you'd be out plowing, you'd go one direction quite a long ways, and you need a constant supply of water. So you would have 1 or 2 of these guys with a team of horses on each one, and the young kid would run back, go get it full of water, and come back out, and then you'd suck out of it as the kid goes panning along with you. And either he'd have a second person up here pumping away and getting the water into the bunker and steaming, or you would just suck out of this as you go. And this allowed you to have that mobile water source. These need water. It's not like gas in a car which just shuts off. It's a problem.
Hence
So
the
these,
name Steam.
yeah. So these became a very important thing to have. And as you're like threshing, for example, then you can have this for your secondary source of water. You've got 100 gallons in the front, and you've got this guy. So it gives us a little more water, a little more time to sit.
Well, it's very nice.
Yeah, the first year out it looked really nice because it's all that nice pretty wood, but then it gets silver really fast.
Yeah. Well, it makes it look authentic, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's where you made it from.
Yep. That's
Just by looking at it.
Hold still a second there.
Very nice.
Good job.
Very
But I
nice.
had to find some running gear, and then the whole quest became how do you build a wooden tank?
Yeah, basically.
There's no caulking, there's no chinking, there's no fiberglass core or whatever, and so I couldn't find any good books on it. Then it dawned on me. You remember? If you ever watched PBS? Roy Underhill from the Woodwright Shop. I got he's the guy that does all the colonial woodworking stuff and everything.
Yeah.
So I found their website, and then on the bottom, contact us, send them a note. Hey, I'm looking at building. I'd love to talk to Roy. Thinking, several weeks later, 20 minutes later, phone rings. Hi, this is Roy Underhill.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Waiting for the call.
yeah. So he,
Somebody interested in the...
but then he put me in touch with a guy by the name of Jim Pettigal. He's the head barrel cooper at Colonial Williamsburg. And I had about an hour-long phone call with him, but he put me in, got me lined up with a book that was written by one of the last certified barrel coopers in Great Britain, with the whole history of barrel coopers and such. But it got into the whys and reasons for the construction of it. So between that and then finding a friend who had bought one of these and it tore all apart to ship it, I could understand all the joints.
Yeah.
And thanks for hearing my story and my water wagon project.
Thank you.